Hey, parents, and welcome. This week, as we get ready to dive into our last week of science, actually, we will be covering two things. One, this week we will be working on our final design argument. It will take us 3 days to do this activity, so there'll be three different videos. There's 3 pages, so each day we'll do a different page. My hope is that the instructional strategy that I use today will help give kids more time in class to have me check each day their work before leaving. So that is for sure the goal. Now, naturally, if they're not showing up, or if you're watching this message and something happens, there is always a video. It's already been pre-recorded. I already posted it with the assignment on what we're doing today. So watch that video and have that done. Second, there was an assignment that was due last week that kids need to be able to understand so that they can take this week's quiz. On Thursday, we did the assignment together, and they were to use that study guide as a support for their quiz on Friday. Looking at those quizzes, I would like for parents to look at those quizzes as well. I'm not for sure how many kids use that study guide. And then going back and grading those study guides, I'm not for sure how many kids were working on that study guide as we were doing it in class, and I was showing them where to put all those answers and discussing each one as we were doing that. So I'm going to give every student a chance to go back and to fix that study guide. Again, checking the video out that's meant for support on that Thursday when we did the assignment. And then also ask questions if you guys need to as well, if you're still confused after watching that short 5-minute video on where all of those parts go and why they go there. So you will have until Wednesday to get that assignment done and completed, and then I can happy to change that grade and move that grade up if you do complete that and make those corrections. So check out that assignment from Thursday called Science City Systems. That's the one where we made, that was our study guide, and they're going to need that again for their upcoming quiz this Friday. So we want to make sure they're getting that fixed. And then again, this week is our last week, our last science argument. We'll move on to social studies after this week, and that goes right into Thanksgiving and early exploration, which is our fourth grade social studies standard anyway. So I'm excited to do that. But thank you, parents, so much for all you're doing. Hopefully this week we will be successful in getting science finished up and done with Unit 1 and moving on to social studies for just a few weeks. But I can't thank you guys enough. You all have been awesome. Please continue to communicate with me if you have questions. And if not, I look forward to seeing you soon.